Hello, students. Today I will talk about an interesting topic, why we need to sleep. Let us know about this in detail. Humans need sleep. Everybody knows that without it, we get cranky, a bit loopy, and then we die. Unfortunately, science has been a little iffy about it. Though we understood the negative effects associated with lack of sleep, no one really knew why those things happened. Now we're finally getting some insight into what sleep does for our bodies. One of the vital roles of sleep is to help us solidify and consolidate memories. As we go about our day, our brains take in an incredible amount of information. Rather than being directly logged and recorded, however, these facts and experiences first need to be processed and stored, and many of these steps happen while we sleep. Overnight, bits and pieces of information are transferred from more tentative short-term memory to stronger long-term memory, a process called consolidation. Researchers have also shown that after people sleep, they tend to retain information and perform better on memory tasks. For the first time ever, scientists at the University of Rochester have found one of the reasons our brain needs sleep to survive. Turns out when we sleep, our brain takes that time to clean out the buildup of brain junk we accumulate during our waking hours. Sleep is pretty much necessary for our body's mental street cleaners to come out and do their work. One of the earliest theories of sleep, sometimes called the adaptive or evolutionary theory, suggests that inactivity at night is an adaptation that served a survival function by keeping organisms out of harm's way at times when they would be particularly vulnerable. The theory suggests that animals that were able to stay still and quiet during these periods of vulnerability had an advantage over other animals that remained active. Another explanation for why we sleep is based on the long-held belief that sleep in some way serves to restore what was lost in the body while we are awake. Sleep provides an opportunity for the body to repair and rejuvenate itself. In recent years, these ideas have gained support from empirical evidence collected in human and animal studies. One of the most recent and compelling explanations for why we sleep is based on findings that sleep is correlated to changes in the structure and organization of the brain. This phenomenon, known as brain plasticity, is not entirely understood, but its connection to sleep has several critical implications. It is becoming clear, for example, that sleep plays a critical role in brain development in infants and young children.